Welcome to new another video. Here you can see a sales dashboard. Your inventory tracker. You can see here the daily, monthly, and yearly data, sales data, cost of goods sold, then gross profit, your purchase expenses, net profit, and a overview of your stock quantity and value. Now, different sheet. Here is the inventory sheet. Your inventory all tracker can be here. Stock value, then updated purchase price, and then stock value by purchase price, stock value by sell price, and attack clients your purchase price by stock value, sell price by stock value, and total quantity. Then here is the product sheet, purchase sheet, and sales sheet, and expense sheet. And last one is expense categories, your expenses categories. Now I want to add a new product from dashboard, or I can use the product sheet by manually input here. Now I am using the dashboard product, add product. Okay. When I click the add product button, the pop-up showing here. Now we should fill all field from here: purchase price, sell price, and opening stock. Then submit. The product has been successfully added in our product sheet. Okay. This is our new product. Now we check the dashboard. You can see here the dashboard also changes as per our stock in purchase price, stock in sale price, and stock in quantity. All are changes. Also here is the test product inventory. Now I want to purchase this new product. Here you can use the button. First of all, you have to input here the supplier name. Then you can find out the product in drop down and purchase price, then purchase quantity, then subtotal automatically can see here, and paid amount and due amount automatically calculated here. Okay, and then submit. Auto submit in the purchase is come here. Okay. Here you can see the total amount, paid amount, and due amount, and the dashboard also be reflected here. Then I want to sell. Okay, first of all, you have to input here the customer name, then the drop down product, select the product and sell price, quantity, subtotal automatically calculate here, then paid amount, due amount also automatically calculated here. Submit, it will be appeared automatically. Okay, the dashboard is reflected here automatically. Dashboards are reflected here. Now I want to add some expense. An expense category are come from the expense category sheet, and here you can choose the expense category and put the amount and add expense. The expense will also be added here. The expense in dashboard are. Now we can filter here by date, month, or etc. Okay. Now I want to filter today's report 28. Then okay. Then you can see here the only 28 dated data. Okay. To the sales, to the cost of goods sold, to the gross profit, then to the purchase, to the expense, then to net profit, and the stock quantity, stock in purchase price, and stock in sale price is a at line. So your all of our business is, status here. Okay.